My money didn't want to work. My money was lazy. But watching Gary B, watching all my inspirational stuff, Steph Graham, I'm like, I'm gonna put my money to work. You understand? So I put my money to work, and before I know it, he cheated on me. He didn't text me. He didn't write me. I spoke to it about it before. I was like, hey, money, what are you doing with those, over there with those people and everything? It's like, oh, I'm networking. And before I know it, it's like, he just moved out. My money left me. And now I gotta go back to work. So, guys, all I'm saying is go out there. Yes, put your money to work, but watch it. Keep an eye. Don't trust it. Don't trust what it says. They're gonna be like, oh, it's okay. It's growing. No. It's growing away from you. That's what's happening there. It's going away from you. Learn from my mistakes. Still hurts. I'm working right now.